Hello friends, welcome back to TechGetter Official. In today's video, I'm going to help you fix a common Windows 11 shortcut problem, the error that says, the item that this shortcut refers to has been changed or moved. This error usually appears when the shortcut on your desktop is pointing to a file or program that has either been deleted, renamed, or moved to another location. As a result, Windows cannot find the original file, and the shortcut becomes broken. So instead of clicking it again and again and seeing the same error, we're going to fix it the right way. Create a new shortcut. First, go to your desktop and right-click on an empty area. From the menu, select New, and then click Shortcut. A window will appear asking for the location of the item. You can do this in two ways. If you know the file path, you can paste it directly. Click Browse, then navigate to the folder where the file or program is located and select it. For example, if this shortcut was for a picture or a software program, just find the correct file and select it. Once done, click OK. Name the shortcut. Now click Next and type a name for your shortcut. This can be anything you want, for example, Photos, Chrome, or My App. Once you've named it, click Finish and your new working shortcut will appear on the desktop. And that's it. The shortcut error is now fixed. As long as the original file stays in the same location, this shortcut will continue to work without showing any errors. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and comment below if you have any other Windows issues you want me to cover. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.